When it comes to the PSU oil companies, there's a big news that's unfolding today. Remember, viewers, in a big move to diversify the energy supplies, India has now signed a major LPG deal with the United States of America. The deal was announced by Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on social media this morning, calling the deal historic. The minister also said that PSU oil companies have for the first time signed a one-year deal to import LPG from the United States of America, and India will be importing 2.2 million tons of LPG. That's around 10% of the annual imports that we do now from the US as well. Importantly, this deal also follows repeated statements by the US officials that India will soon be increasing its energy imports from the US as well. For more on this, I'm now joined by my colleague, Business Today Television's Aishwarya Patil, to give us more details on the same. Aishwarya, big news for the energy sector coming in, a historic first one ever imports, diversification that is coming in as far as LPG is concerned. Tell us what has been the idea of the government. What would this really mean for the prices for the common man, at all going forward from here?
Well, as far as the prices are concerned, oil majors, IOCL, BPCL, etc. Of course, those finer details are still yet to come from some of these PSU energy companies, but definitely I believe Donald Trump and the US government could be quite happy about this deal that we've struck. That aside, of course, as you mentioned, 10% of the annual imports will come from this 2.2 million ton per annum kind of LPG imports that we're talking about. And he did mention that oil PSU names such as BPCL, IOCL, HPCL, some of the leadership team did visit the US in somewhere about in the mid of 2025 and did engage in discussions. So what the decision here is in as far as sourcing is concerned is to get more affordable as well as reliable LPG supplies, is what the minister has said. And he also mentioned that the Ujjwala scheme has been maintaining the 500 to 550 kind of mark during this last couple of years, and they intend to maintain this pricing, is what the minister has said. Going forward as well, we'll get in touch with some of these oil PSUs to understand what the pricing will look like. But so far as we've spoken to these players, they have mentioned that it'll be somewhat muted or in the same range as it was in the last couple of months or so.
Okay.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.